Hi, this tutorial is about the Awaken to Business affiliate registration. If you want to become a partner or an affiliate for Awaken to Business, here's what you need to do. First thing is you need to register to the Awaken to Business Partner Program using the link provided to you. Just take note that it has to be the sign up link and not the login link. Afterwards, you need to create an account. So all you have to do is to fill up the name, email address, and then create a password. The PayPal email is optional, so you can skip that part. After you filled up the required fields, then all you have to do is to click on the sign up button. Now, if in any case you are already registered to any Awaken to Business subscriptions, and it is advisable to use the same email address that you used to register so that the confirmation email will go to the same account. If you do not, however, have any other subscriptions prior to this registration, then please check your inbox for the confirmation email, because after you click the sign up button, you will be receiving a confirmation email. If you do not find the confirmation email in your inbox, please check your spam and or junk folder. So once you've signed up, you will be directed to the Awaken to Business Partner Program dashboard. In here, you will see the stats that includes the clicks, form submissions, conversions, and the conversion rate. Now, the important thing to note on this dashboard, you will notice that it has several share links that you can actually share to other people or to your contacts. You can just look for the corresponding link or the respective link assigned to you. So for example, if you are from Platinum Property Partners, just look for Vavaboom subscription for Platinum Property Partners share link. Just click on the copy button. It will automatically be copied, and then you can share that to your contacts. By sharing the links to your contacts, you will begin earning commissions. So when your contacts use your shared links to register to any of our products, you will receive commissions and will be reflected on your conversions on your partner program dashboard. If you got logged out of the partner program dashboard, all you have to do is to sign in again using the login link that will be provided to you. So all you have to do is to sign in using the same details that you use or the email address that you use to register or sign up for the Awaken to Business Partner Program.